So I'm making this video because you might have logged into Facebook and realized recently that it's asking you to authorize or confirm your identity so that you can publish on your business pages. I know I saw this on mobile, so I switched over to desktop to record this video to show you what to do. Wherever I end up posting this video, I will also go to the top here and copy the link to this article that I'm showing you on the screen so that you can read that yourself. Log into Facebook as you, go to your settings, choose settings and privacy, settings, and then account settings over on the left hand side. And look where it says in the center, identity confirmation, hit view. So in my case, I've gone through the steps here, but you'll see that you need to turn on two things. It says you need to turn on your location sharing services, which you can do on mobile. And then you can also turn on your two-factor authentication, which means if you log in from different devices, it'll trigger a code or some kind of security to make sure you're not getting hacked and it is in fact you. Once you're done, you'll see, like my screen, it'll say identity confirmed, but you can follow these steps. It tells you exactly what you need to do to get to this particular screen.